Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you on this beautiful Thursday afternoon in New York City from the Modern Wall Street studio. Unfortunately, we can't go outside today like yesterday, but it's okay because I'm still in a good mood. You know why? Because it's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets are about to close, and very shortly, it's going to be a Margarita Thursday. My crew's forcing me to go. In other words, it's happy hour in the Big Apple. Now, stocks, they are lower this Thursday as Wall Street continues to keep an eye on mixed earnings as well as upbeat economic data following a week of record highs for the Dow Jones. And I'll say it again, record highs. And why are they high again? Well, look at the job numbers today. The number of Americans filing for unemployment benefits falling to a 3-month low last week. Initial claims for state unemployment benefits falling by 1,000 to a seasonally adjusted 253,000. Economists, they were expecting claims to rise to 265,000. Good numbers all around. Meanwhile, quarterly results coming in mixed. Southwest Airlines, Sherwin-Williams, and Intel amongst the disappointments. Shares of Intel down more than 3.5% after beating expectations for earnings, but revenue was a lot lower than expected. Also, Southwest Airlines leading the sector lower after reporting record quarterly profit, but missing for Wall Street estimates, therefore sending shares of the company down nearly 10%. At the same time, fellow chipmaker Qualcomm on the opposite side, beating expectations, issuing strong forward guidance and sending the stock up nearly 7%, while GM posting a record second quarter profit, sending shares up more than 3%. And we also have to talk about eBay. A lot of corporate news today, spiking more than 10% for its best daily performance since October 2015, after posting earnings a penny per share above expectations. A lot of earnings, but there was also a lot more moving the markets today. European stocks moving lower after the ECB left its key interest rates unchanged. The yen hitting new lows after news continued to hit the wire saying that Tokyo is considering a 20 trillion yen package of stimulus to help boost the economy. And speaking of currency, the US dollar weaker, oil also lower, WTI falling about 1.5%, and decliners right now leading advancers over at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's take a look to see what's going on and how the markets are closing out on this, the second to last trading session of the week. And rather than talk about corporations, because I've talked enough about them already today, all I'm going to say is this. Be front row and center. Make sure everybody's watching TV, because tonight is the final night of the RNC, and Mr. Donald Trump is speaking. I'm sure the world, including myself, will be watching. And you should too. And until then, tomorrow's Friday, so I'm excited already. For Modern Wall Street, I'm James Sweeney.